Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Bose TV Speaker Soundbar. This soundbar is ideal for dramas, news, sports. It is small but powerful speaker. It delivers clear, balance and natural sound. Dialogue mode elevates vocals. You can also play music via Bluetooth and enhance bass at a punch of the button. You can set this soundbar up via optical cable, HDMI cable connection to your TV. You can expand your system to include a wired subwoofer by adding a bass model and 3.5mm audio cable with it. One connection setup, remote control included. TV speaker is one-step simple solution for better TV sound. It is simple, it is small but powerful. Deliver a clear, balanced and natural sound audio experience that enhance dialogue and bass performance. Acoustic performance, two full range drivers are angled to deliver wide spatial sound, while the center tweeter clarifies speech for clear dialogue. Small size at just 5 cm tall, the Bose TV speaker is a small soundbar that fits just about anywhere. Wall bracket is available. Wireless music, Bose TV speaker can stream music via Bluetooth. Visual confirmation, small LED light turn on and or change color when certain features are enabled. They also blink, acknowledging volume change. So Bluetooth is 4.2, inputs HDMI ARC 1, optical 1 and aux in, bass model connection. USB is for service and software update only. Dimension 56 is for height, width is 594 and diameter is 102mm. In terms of the weight, 1.9 kg. Power consumption on standby is 1.5. This soundbar is TV ready, Dolby audio, simple setup, one remote. We're going to unbox this soundbar, check it out and see what is inside. There we go. It's not heavy. It's very light. Let's see what it looks like. With metal grille in front of it. The back plastic. This is information pack, power cable, 3-pin power cable included in the packaging. Optical cable and audio. Remote control. Just gonna do the measurement from this end. This is 59 cm and this is 10 cm and this is 6 cm. This end. This button is for bass model, bass. USB port is for service, aux in to connect this with aux cable, and this is optical cable, and this port is HDMI ARC port. Take the power cable, go at the back and hook it up to the power cable port. Push it in. Connect the soundbar to the power. And the light is highlighting here. Once you plug it onto the power, the light will be highlighting. This is the remote control. Now I use the remote control. From this, switch the soundbar on and off from this button. Then you select TV, Bluetooth, bass. plus increase the volume, minus is for you to decrease the volume. So switch the soundbar on. So switch it on, and once you switch it on, the light will be highlighting. So select Bluetooth, and once you select Bluetooth, it will highlight, it's highlighting blue color. We're going to connect this with mobile device. Depending on gadget you are using, go to your phone settings, go to connections, switch Bluetooth on, and once you switch Bluetooth on, it will start to search for available device. Bose TV speaker is available. Select on it. Bluetooth pairing request, select pair, and it's connected. Once it's connected, you will hear a noise. The light is now showing us white color. We're going to test the audio, so we'll go to the music. Thank you very much indeed. I'm happy with this soundbar. It deserves your attention.